Hi, my name is Chad Dennis, and I worked on this project with Professor Dan Adams for Northeastern University's Urbanism Studio. The idea behind the project is about reconnecting Boston Harbor to the Chelsea River, a polluted industrial waterway located in East Boston. The river running throughout the site is actually a reconstructed historic estuary that ran between the harbor islands before the development of the area. And so as a result of this, there's an excess of soil which we try to maintain on site, which then creates a fairly dramatic sectional landscape. That sectional landscape, however, is then a vehicle to interact with more traditional urban elements in a fairly unconventional way, coupled with these sort of exterior circulatory towers, which then create the opportunity for a fairly unique distribution, both horizontally and vertically, of programming.